Hey, welcome in. We're talking all things sleep today. And I'm just wondering if your sleep quality feels like total trash right now. Yeah, I said it. It's honestly what I hear my clients say the most when I ask them how their sleep is. If they're having trouble sleeping, they say it feels like trash. So I'm just using that language, right? Maybe you're waking up multiple times a night, finding yourself lying in bed, spinning yourself up about what you didn't finish today, what you've got to finish tomorrow, all the stuff. Hello, nighttime anxiety, right? Is this making you unable to focus and concentrate during the workday? Or maybe you just feel more emotionally reactive because you have a very low threshold for things right now because you're exhausted all of the time. So, if this is you, my next question is what are you doing every single day to promote better rest? Yeah, we've got to do something every single day to support our wellness goals, whether that's better flexibility, eating healthier, or getting higher quality sleep. So I created this 4-week program, Relax and Rest, to help you know what actually helps you unwind and prepare yourself for restful sleep, how to integrate the what or the techniques that we're going to try out into your nightly routine with ease and accountability. So you actually start to notice results in a month and have a habit in place to keep going long after our time together. Through a series of meditations, guided breathing, and daily gratitude journaling, you'll find the techniques that feel most helpful for you and learn how to integrate them into your nightly routine. The techniques that I share can help you create more positive pre sleep cognitions, reduce that nighttime anxiety we were talking about earlier, boost resilience, can help you fall asleep faster, and maybe even feel more focused and productive during the day. And when we combine these techniques that I'll show you with each other and pair them with a framework for creating a nightly habit, as we do in this program, the techniques can feel even more potent, which is amazing. So each week we'll discuss topics that help you gain a deeper understanding of how sleep impacts your personal quality of life, understanding key processes that happen during sleep to promote overall wellness, and learn a system to prepare your body for sleep that can be customized based on your routine, your season of life, any transitions you may go through. We'll personalize your experience with a sleep self inventory to understand your baseline, then choose techniques that fit your chronotype, your lifestyle, and your sleep goals. You'll also have time to try out different relaxation techniques weekly so you can feel their effects. And then again, choose the ones that feel most supportive for you. You'll also receive access to the audio recordings of each relaxation technique so you can use them on your own every single night before bed. Every single night. I'll share specific styles of meditation and guided breathing that help calm your nervous system and put your mind at ease, along with other mindfulness techniques like nightly gratitude journaling. You'll also receive a sleep self inventory and a sleep tracker in a PDF, plus a welcome package that will be mailed out to you with my Get with Gratitude Before Bed journal. Oh, it's fading into the background. There it is, right here. And an unscented eye pillow and a shower mantra card, just to really bring the experience to life. I want you to feel results, which means this is a program for action takers who like and want accountability. You must be willing to dedicate 1 to 5 minutes every single night to practice relaxation techniques. And this will most likely be a new habit that you're building. So I will also share some tips to just make it stick without feeling guilty or frustrated as you move through the process of making a lifestyle change. I'll check in on you throughout the program via email and at our weekly workshops live on Zoom. You can also choose to have an accountability partner in the group if that feels more supportive to you. Just an option, you don't have to, but some people find that really, really helpful to have me checking in plus someone else who's in the group. So by the end of the program, I want you to have a clear understanding of your sleep habits and a go-to routine that helps you get quality rest for a better quality of life. The program starts on October 27th at 3 p.m. Eastern and meets each Monday through November 17th. If you're ready to join the group, sign up using the link in the video description by September 30th to get that early bird discount. If you're a corporate member, you can use your special code on our Love and Asana benefits page to save 50% on your registration. I am getting ready to start mailing out the first wave of welcome packages. So don't wait to sign up if you want to get in. Get in now. Get your goodies in time for the first session by signing up early. Feel free to reach out with any questions. Take care, and I hope to see you in Relax and Rest.